경찰관들은 소란을 피우는 호텔 투숙객에 대한 신고를 접수하고 출동했다. 경영진이 소란을 이유로 투숙객에게 퇴실을 요청했으나 해당 인물이 협조하지 않고 객실에 심각한 훼손을 가하면서 사태가 악화되었으며 결국 무단 침입 혐의로 체포되었다.
$30,000 from her, wanted immediate attention for that. This morning was walking barefoot, grabbing pastries off the Continental thing. So long story short, we're going to kick her out. This morning, she was clicking the emergency button. So I was answering it, trying to figure out what happened, what the emergency is. She wouldn't answer me, which is why I called you guys. So we're going to go see what the emergency is, and then we're going to ask her to leave.
Do we want her out just...
In general, I just want her out.
Okay, so we're not doing a trespass.
No, let's do a trespass.
Okay.
Let's do a trespass.
Okay,
I have to
perfect.
say, yeah. Thank you. I'm going to just speak first, just let her know what's happening. Hotel management.
Hello?
Hi, you pressed the emergency button, so I wanted to come and see if you were okay.
Oh yeah, we're great, thanks.
Do you mind opening the door for me?
I didn't know I pressed emergency.
You're okay, but anytime somebody presses that, I have to enter the
What
room.
button were we pressing?
The emergency button on the phone.
So I had two people up here trying to help me figure out the phone's broken.
Okay, I have to enter though to make sure the room is okay and that you're okay if the emergency button is
Can I
pressed.
put some clothes?
Please do. Thank you.
Do we know if she has a car here, or Ubered, or...
I don't know.
11242
So what button is that?
So you press the emergency, there's a button that says emergency on the phone. This is your partner. Good morning. How you doing?
Even better. I'm trying to get in touch with. I called emergency on my mother in Orlando.
Oh, okay. So you actually dialed emergency from here?
Yeah, but they connected me to Orlando. My
Oh.
grandmother's in trouble.
Oh no, okay. From our side, just looking around a little bit, it looks like you're smoking on the terrace,
Yeah.
which we don't allow smoking in our property, so we're going to have to ask you to leave today. We're not going to charge you for tonight or anything like that, but we're not going to be able to keep you for another night, so we're going to have to ask you to leave. Are we able to pack everything up within the next 15, 20 minutes?
Seriously?
Yeah, I'm serious.
We paid for 2 nights. Can we just pay for the smoking fee?
No, unfortunately it doesn't work that way. So I'll step out and I'll give you guys a chance to kind of get things going. I'll get a bell card up so we can take everything downstairs. Do you have a car with us?
Wonderful. What?
Do you have a vehicle with us?
We have a card and a motorcycle outside.
Okay, we'll get those ready on the ramp for you then. Do you need help
Great.
packing up?
No.
Okay, alright. Thank you. I'll
Thanks
just be
for
right
all your
outside.
help.
You're welcome.
I brought an emergency.
Yeah.
Yeah, she...
You can leave now. You're not gonna watch me dressed and all that. You
Okay,
can go outside.
yeah, we'll step outside and you can put something on,
Yeah.
but then we're gonna come and make sure that everything gets packed up.
You can go while we pack. We paid for our room today.
Right, so
Go outside.
you're gonna pack because we're
Right,
gonna
but
leave.
you're gonna step outside. You're not gonna be here while
Right, well,
you're
we'll
dressed and all that.
she'll get here so
Get outside.
she can watch you
No.
put a shirt on. Listen, ma'am, let me
No.
explain
You're not
something.
gonna watch any of this.
Let me
You're not.
explain something, okay? You're being removed. You're going to be trespassed.
I understand.
You're
you
going
can
to be.
wait outside while
you're
that
going to-
happens. We have 30 minutes. All we did was smoke outside. Give me a
Going
break.
to be trespassed from the property.
If we don't get out in 30 minutes, get the outside.
First of all,
You don't have any right to tell me what to do in my room that I paid for.
We don't walk out.
Right.
You're being trespassed.
No. we
you're
have to
being
stay.
trespassed. We are going to make sure that you gather all your belongings.
Wait outside while I do it.
No. If you want to go into the bathroom with a shirt and put a shirt on,
No.
Like an adult?
that's fine.
No.
But we're not leaving you in here
You can
by
act like an
yourselves.
adult and wait the f outside.
We're not doing
I'm gonna
that.
wait over here.
Why don't we start your stuff up, okay?
Don't touch me.
You have no business
Okay.
being involved in our property
You're probably
right
much
now.
sober, so you guys are getting kicked out. So you gotta get all your stuff.
Yeah, we can do that, but you wait outside while we do that.
No.
Not gonna happen.
We're not doing that.
This is my room. I paid for it.
Being a bit.
Are you gonna give me my money back?
She already said that they're not going to charge you for the night.
Are you gonna charge me for the day that you're?
Sir, do you have an ID or anything with you?
No.
You're being
So you're
charged for
gonna
last
charge anything
night,
like
but
that?
not anything
No.
for today.
Okay.
Why? Because we smoked on the patio. We have to deal with all this.
Yes.
I called the
Let's start
police on my
packing up.
grandmother who was being abused by my mother in Orlando. In a
Jessica, let's
completely
start
different
packing
city.
up, okay?
Acting up?
Packing
Packing
up.
up.
Let's start packing up.
Wait the outside
We're
while
not
I
waiting
pack up.
outside,
No.
okay?
You have no business being in here.
Just put a shirt on and let's keep moving, okay?
You have no business. I
We're
would
not
like you to
going.
step
We're not
outside.
leaving. I know that's what you would like to happen, but that's not what's going to happen.
Absolutely.
So, you're
Illegal.
being trespassed. If you don't start packing up and leaving now, I'll
Right,
put you in
you have
handcuffs.
no business being in
I will
my
put
room.
you in handcuffs and I will take you to the county jail
You have no business being in my
for
room.
trespass
for the next
after
30
warning.
minutes.
Do you understand?
Get the out of my room.
Do you want to go to jail?
Get out of my room.
Last chance.
Is this your stuff too?
You have no business being.
Start packing your belongings.
I
Or you're
paid
going
for
to
this
jail.
room.
Start packing your
For
stuff
2
or you're
nights.
going to
Are you
jail.
refusing to pack your belongings
No,
and leave?
I asked you to wait outside
And
while
I
I
explained that
pack.
that's not happening. Are you refusing to pack your thing?
Kidding me. You guys are the biggest I've ever met in my goddamn life. Like, we don't have enough problems in this
Let me
goddamn
see if she has the 14 on.
So you might close it out so the AC doesn't all go out.
No, we actually like it open. We paid for it to be. You're not paid to be here.
I am
We are paid
here,
to be here, actually. That's our job.
Want to be
You're
here?
not even allowed to be here right now.
Okay.
This is highly illegal.
What's your first name, sir?
Ryan.
Ryan? What's your last name, Ryan?
Ryan, come here.
Can you spell
Ryan.
that?
Can you address?
Hold on, hold on. How do
Ryan,
you spell?
do you not? You don't have to
You
do
stop.
anything in this room. Come here, right now.
Go put your shirt on.
Come here,
Ryan.
Ryan,
Ryan.
right
please listen to us.
now.
She's going to
In
get
here,
trouble.
you
So,
do not do anything that goddamn say.
how much longer are we going to do with it?
Let's.
Put her in handcuffs.
I'm ready to be ready.
I'm ready. Can we at least hope she puts
Well, that's what I was hoping
No,
was
but
going to
she took it
happen.
off.
Well, she took that off to put something else on.
We said they're Narcan, right?
Oh, Jesus.
I can hear you whispering.
1 call 5, 1 call 4.
And we do hear us. Oh!
Go for it.
And I know my rights. And I'm explaining them to my friend. Do not answer one goddamn word they ask me. I'll be proud to
Okay.
Actively doing this record.
She's packing.
Our lawyer will answer every question you possibly have.
Awesome.
Cool. Do not answer a goddamn question they ask you. Losers. Nothing better to do with their time. Would you mind helping me with the suitcase, Ryan? Or Mike? Michael, Ryan?
Ryan. It's Ryan.
I'm sorry, did I like that inside? I guess I might have gotten charged though. For smoking
Ryan.
inside. I just want to light up a cigarette, right?
No, you're not. You're not smoking.
Don't tell me what I'm doing. I haven't done anything illegal. I just tried to save my 98-year-old grandma from getting her beat. That's all I did. She's got her.
I don't think the phone's cordless, so I don't think that's how it
It
works.
is actually cordless. That's how it works.
Oh, thank God.
It's 2024. What the
That's
That's
true.
weird. And we didn't do a goddamn thing wrong, and you're in my room, and you have no business being here. It's a room I rented, so it's my room right now. I paid for it, so it is.
You say right there.
You can say right there. Good thing we're on YouTube.
Good thing.
This place just opened, and it will just get closed.
Ryan, you're going to be the one driving, right?
No, we're not driving.
Oh, okay. Perfect. Even better.
Is it? Yeah, because we're from LA. And
Good.
guess what I am?
Please
An
don't.
investigative reporter.
Congratulations.
Yep. To you or me?
To you.
Would you like some kratom? Have you ever tried that?
No, thank you.
Sure.
Yes, please.
It's an illegal opium.
We got a caller at North
I mean, we can all smell it.
All right.
I didn't.
Your hands behind your back. You don't need to be
It's only,
breathing.
it's only joke,
Stop.
dude. It's a joke.
Stop.
Come on now. It's a joke.
It's not funny. You're going to jail. You're done.
Why?
Spray me with that.
It's
I don't know what
not
that is.
really. It's a powder. It's
Doesn't matter. You're going to
an
jail.
herb that heals you.
Yeah.
You're done.
Keep you intoxicated. I don't need that.
Oh, you could be healed in
I'm
jail.
in my. Why?
You got all of her stuff to figure out to do with her stuff?
Come on now.
Stop.
No,
You guys, seriously, look
no,
at it.
no,
I
You're
bought
done.
it at the gas station.
no.
Gave you
We
enough
tried.
chances. You're done.
For what? Second joy. Why would I get arrested for what?
Disorderly conduct, trespass after warning. We're asking you to leave, and you're
Why, though?
you're
For
making more
what?
of a mess.
It's kratom. It's a herb.
Right. You know that kratom's illegal in the city of Sarasota?
No, I bought it at the gas station in Sarasota.
Cool. Not in the city of Sarasota.
Yeah, I did. I swear on God.
Nope.
Weren't you with me?
105 at the Westin, 1074.
It was a joke.
That's not funny, okay? Is anyone laughing? You're not even laughing.
Why are you
So why
in my
don't you
hotel room?
Put your
Put
shoes
your
on,
shoes
we're
on.
going.
I paid $250.
I don't care how much you paid,
Congratulations.
you're going.
We're still working on it.
Are you good with him, LT, if we take her down?
Yeah, it's fine.
All right. Come on. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay. Okay, sounds good.
What am I getting arrested for?
I already told you.
For what? Please don't arrest me.
Oh, you're all calm and you want to talk like a normal person now, right? Now that you're in handcuffs, right? But before when you're throwing around kratom, F you, F
Because I was
me.
in my own hotel room that
Right.
I paid a lot of money for.
The West
I've
End.
never paid that much money for a hotel room.
Well, you probably shouldn't again. Okay?
Well, it was a lot of money. I felt like I deserved to be there.
You guys good?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, what do we do now? It's kratom. It's like an herb. Like a herbal tea.
Yeah.
Are you concealing anything within your body?
Okay. Go ahead, take a step in.
What?
Did you take a picture of her?
Yeah, I got it.
Is this who you're
Yeah, this is what, yep, this is what's fun for me. I want to come up and deal with drunk women throwing kratom around their hotel. Yep. Because the hotel called us.
Why?
Because you're acting ridiculous and calling the emergency button. That's why.
Oh, my grandmother in Orlando.
Okay, well, that's not how that works, dude.
Yeah, it was. They went to her house.
Cool.
My grandmother is being abused by my mother, dude. She broke her hip and her leg.
Well, you should be there
She's
taking care of that.
98 years old, and I went there and I tried to help,
Okay.
and I couldn't